Hi, this is Rodney Duran, and this is my 60 seconds.
Your one big dream.
I would like to have a Latin cuisine restaurant with my wife.
What would you be doing if you weren't doing what you do now?
I would probably be a cardiologist, and because I just love helping people, and a lot of family members have had that disease with heart rate.
Most fulfilling part of your job.
I love being able to help companies produce a high quality product that ends up being a success in patient care or whatever it's intended.
Intuition or logic, which better defines the way you make decisions?
Logic is where I take all the data and absolutely do that. But at the end, I do have my intuition kind of confirm my decision.
Authenticity or diplomacy, the more effective way for businesses to communicate?
So on a business perspective, it's probably a combination of both, but it has to be more leaning towards the authenticity. People really appreciate when you are honest and open and then you share from your heart. It just has a better response in my mind.